Good afternoon, my dear student. I hope all all of you fit and fine at your home. So today we are going to start the new topic, that is the determinant. But before that, I hope all of you understood the practice set 1.4 and the remaining two sums you have solved. So now we will begin with the next topic of that chapter, that is the determinant. So determinant is nothing but what? If in this sign, in the modular signs, if a, B, C, D are any four numbers, the value of AD minus BC is represented as A, B, C, D. This type of representation of numbers is called as the determinant. It means what? Whenever any numbers, if ABCD has any real numbers, so if those numbers we write down in this format, in the two standing line, in between the two standing line, a vertical line, so that types of representation it is called as the determinants. Why it is called as the determinant? Because there is one mathematician so whose name is the determinants. He derived this method to find out the variables of the linear equations to the by using these types of representation. So that's why this method is called as the determinant. So whenever any numbers we write down in this format and we find out the value of that all this representation, that value is nothing but the determinant. So here in this type of representation, this AB and CD, these two are nothing but it is called as the rows, and the vertical line, that is nothing but the which numbers? If A and C and the B and D, these are nothing but it is called as the column. So now how we are going to find out the value of determinant? So the value of determinant is nothing but what? A into D minus B into C. It means what? So therefore here we can say the value of determinant. So how we wrote the determinant? A in B and C and the D. So the value of determinant is nothing but what? It is nothing but the cross multiplication of this number. So here in front of A, it downstairs in the cross side, which one? D is there, and here it is nothing but what? B. So the value of determinant is nothing but what? AD minus B into C. So how we are going to? And always keep in mind the name of the determinant. So here this determinant we can give the name. So the name of the determinant is generally represented by using the capital alphabets, that is A, B, C, D are to be used. So suppose you want to represent this determinant, so you can say so determinants. So here it is the determinant, so mostly we are going to use the D. So D is nothing but it is name of this determinant. So it is what? A into B and C into D. Here you can use the any alphabet, but mostly commonly we are going to use only D. So how to find out the value of determinant? This might be they will ask for the 1 or 2 marks questions. Find out the value of the given determinant. So here we are going to solve the first example. So question is nothing but what? The question number 1, find the value of determinant. So they will give the numbers like this. So here suppose the first is nothing but the 3 2 and the 4 into 5. Here it is the first example. So here solution. So find out the value of the determinant. So we are going to find out so this determinant first we have to write down as it is. So it is what? 3 2 4 and 5. In between two vertical lines these two numbers are there. And so here if you compare this with this one, so here so A is nothing but what? A is nothing but the 3, B is nothing but 2, C is equals to what? C is equals to 4 and the D is equals to 5. So how to find out compulsory determinant value? You have to find out like this only. सी इस तरह से ही लिखना है. देन अगर सपोज आपने 5 into 3 किया तो 4 into 2 किया. सो इफ दिस क्वेश्चन दे आस्क फॉर द activity type, means in the form of the fill in the blanks type, so that will your value will be wrong and you will get the and your marks will cut. So that's why in this direction only you have to find out the value. So determinant value मैंने क्या कहा था? Suppose it is rough calculation. It is, I have explained here, it is the determinant value is nothing but a into d minus b into c. So here a, b, c, d, these are determinants. So value is nothing but the cross multiplication is a into d minus b into c. So in that direction only we have to write down. So here you have to give the equal to sign. So a into d is nothing but what? 3 into 5 in this direction. From 3 you have to come towards the 5, and from 2 you have to come towards the 4 only. So it is what? 3 into 5, that is a into b. After that what? Minus, and there they are saying 2 into 4. So 3 5s are 15, then minus and 2 4s are 8. So 15 minus 8 is nothing but what? 3. So the value of determinant is nothing but what? It is equals to 3. So here you can say determinant is equal, 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. So value of determinant is nothing but what? 7. Getting everyone? Now suppose we are going to see the one more sum. Suppose I am going to explain you the second sum. And second sum is nothing but, suppose I will think about a little bit tough. Now we will see the next sum, that is nothing but second sum. It is what? If you see, so here the value of the determinants are given in the fraction. So for the C, it is either fraction, yeah, it is a irrational number, rational number, decimal number, whatsoever determinants values are given. Just keep in mind this rule. If the anything is there, it is decimal number, negative number, positive number, fraction, irrational number, whatsoever, but the determinants value you have to find out in this way only, that is AD into AD minus BC. So now here what given, the first value is nothing but 1 by 2, then minus 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, and next one is what? Minus 4 upon 5. So here the rule just keep in mind. It is not necessary you can write down, but आप लोगों को समझ में आए, that's why I am going to show it with the arrow. And the here from this to towards this one. So there cross multiplication. So here solution. Write down those determinant value here. So first one is what? 1 upon 2, and here minus 2 upon 3, and here 3 upon 4, and this side minus 4 upon 5. So now here cross multiplication. So is equals to sign, it is nothing but what? 1 upon 2 into with what one? Minus 4 upon 5. So minus 4 upon 5. आप लोगों को दो साइड समझना है, that's why I am going to write down into bracket. And next one is what? Minus 2 into 3 into 3 upon 4. So now once here in multiplication, then again downstairs is equals to sign minus 1 into 4. It is nothing but what? Minus 4, and 2 5 2s are 10. So here minus sign, again give the minus sign, and then minus 2 into 3. It is what? Minus 2 into 3, 6. 2 3s are 6, and in multiplication plus minus minus. So minus sign we have to give, and 3 4s are 12. So now the next here. Now here, suppose this sum I will continue here. If you observe, so minus 4 and minus 4 upon 10 minus 6 upon 12. So here this minus minus become plus. So here the next step what we will get? Minus 4 upon 10, and this will become plus, because in multiplication minus minus become plus. So here it is plus 6 upon 12. So now see here, before going to add this one, see here we cannot add this one directly, because the first denominator is 10 and second denominator is 12. So here we need to make the denominator equal. So to make the denominator equals, what we need to do the cross multiplication. So here these fractions we are going to multiply by 12, and this we are going to multiply by the this denominator, that is nothing but the 10. Now instead of this one, अगर तुम आप लोगों को ये नहीं करना, so you can find out this smallest fraction of this smallest division of this one. So here 2 2s are like this also you can do. Yeah, you can take the LCM of both the denominator also, but we will do by the cross multiplication because it is the easiest method. So now here this first fraction we are going to multiply by the second denominator, that is nothing but the 12. So 12 fours are 48. So here it is what? Minus 48 upon 10 12s are 120. Then again plus. So here 10 into 12 120. Now here the next one is what? 6 into 10 60, and here 12 tens are 120. So now 60 minus 48, it is nothing but what? It is nothing but minus 12. So here the answer is what? Minus 12 or plus 12. So now see here, minus 48. For your better understand, I will again write down here upon 120. So for minus 48 plus 60 plus minus minus, and we have to give the greater number sign. So greater number is 60. So here we are getting the answer plus 12 upon 120. So 12 ones are 12 and here 10. So the determinant value of this one is nothing but what? 1 upon 10. Getting everyone? I hope all of you understood this one, how to find out the determinant. It is very easy. So now your homework is what? From the practice set 1.3, you have to solve the question number 1 and plus the solve example based on the determinant question. It's your today's homework. Thank you.